you sign into your account, just simply go ahead and hover over your account and list on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find the drop down and it shows you your list on the left hand side. I'm gonna click on the tech list because that's what I have created. You may have something else. And once you basically have your list open, in order to print this list, guys, you want to look towards the upper right hand side. You'll have three dots here, and here you have print list. So if you click on print list, it's gonna look like this. And from here, you have the list, what it looks like. And you may be wondering, okay, now that I have this list looking like this, how do I actually print it, or do I want to print it with my printer? You can go ahead. All you have to do is just simply right click on that specific page, and here you have print. So if you click on print again, you will have the print tool appear, and you can just simply choose how you want. So this can be print as a PDF if you want to, or this can be saved as a PDF, but you want to print it through your printer. So you want to ensure that you select your printer if you have your printer here. And that's it, guys. Once you select your printer, go ahead and click on print. You can always switch it to landscape or portrait depending on whichever view you want, and just basically print it out using your printer. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.